Hello everyone, in today's video we're talking about why fair value measurement is critical in PPA. So, let's get started. Foundation of accuracy. Fair value is crucial for accurate PPA, ensuring recorded values accurately reflect acquired assets and assumed liabilities, and ensuring transparent financial reporting. Compliance with accounting standards. Fair value is a crucial principle in accounting standards like GAAP and IFRS. This ensures consistency and comparability in financial statements. Reflecting market conditions. By incorporating current market conditions, fair value measurement captures the true economic realities at the time of acquisition. Just and equitable dealings. Fair value measurement is crucial in negotiating and finalizing mutually beneficial deals, fostering a transparent and trustworthy business environment. Aligning with stakeholder interests. Fair value measurement aligns with stakeholder interests, instilling confidence in transparency and reliability of financial statements, ensuring accurate and fair financial information for investors and regulatory bodies. Fair value measurement is crucial for accuracy, compliance, and transparency in purchase price allocation, ensuring successful mergers and acquisitions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and information.